What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're gonna be moving on with the widget section and the homepage section and everything. So basically we need to customize this. We don't have to move on to widgets right now. I'll show you later on how the widgets work when we will design our website. We'll design everything. Okay, then we'll be moving on. You guys already know a little bit about widgets. So if I just come here, you can see that it says the right sidebar. So this is basically referring to this. If I just come here to right sidebar, then you can see that here are the widgets that are coming. So if I want to delete any widget, I can delete it. I showed you guys that how widget works. Okay, we deleted that meta tag. So if I want to add a widget right here, I can just come here and I can add a widget. So that widget is gonna be meta. Okay, so you can see that the meta tags are gonna appear here like this. So you can add any of the widget in the right sidebar if you want to. Okay, so let's go back and now let's come here to homepage settings. So we basically need to assign our homepage to be the homepage that we have created. Okay, so how we're gonna do this? We have to just come here. We have to choose static page from here, or if you don't want to go here, you can go to the dashboard. You can go to then settings and then reading. Okay, and you guys now know how this works, so you can select it. The home page is going to be the home and the post page is going to be about page. Oh sorry, the blog page. So we have to create a blog page right now. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit save changes right here. I'm going to go to the pages right here. I'm going to go to add new and I'm going to name this as blog. Okay, and I'm going to hit publish. Let's go to the settings again and the reading section right here, and let's choose the blog section from here, the blog page. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save, and there we go, we're totally done. Now if I just come here and view my website, you can see that this is the home page which is coming right here instead of the blog page. And the blog page, we can add a blog section into the menu section. So if I just come here and I just select the main menu, okay, and I select it, then I want to add a blog section here as well. So I'm just going to hit this and I'm going to hit add to menu. So it is added here. I want this to be right here. Okay. Cool. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit save right now. And let's come here and let's refresh this. So here you go. You can see that it says home services blog contact. Okay, if I just go to blog, it's gonna take me to the blog page, and now you can see that this hello world, the posts are coming like this. So this is how it works. Okay, I'm gonna click this my name, and it is taking me to here as well. Okay, so basically I need to create an eye-catching logo for myself. I can just just add a sign right here, a signature or a cool logo right here so that it looks amazing. Okay, so I'll be using Photoshop. If you can also use an online one if you want to create a portfolio, or you can just go with logo creator. So you can create a free logo. Okay, free logo design, create your own logo, it's free. So you can create your own free logo and then you have to upload it. So I'll be using the Photoshop and I'll create a logo. I'll just upload it right here, and then I'm gonna also work with the top menu. I'm gonna change the color of this a bit so that it looks amazing, and then work on. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this. In the next video, I'm gonna be moving on with the header section. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna add some more stuff right here. So stay tuned and bye bye.